So now we are using the chat model of DeepSeek inside our Flutter application. So we are able to pass our queries and get the response of DeepSeek inside our application. But here in the documentation page, you can see we got two possible values for the model type. So for now we are using DeepSeek chat model, but we can also use DeepSeek reasoner model if we want to. And the process of using this model is also very simple. So what we need to do is to just change the model name while making an API request. Like here for now we are using DeepSeek chat. So instead of this DeepSeek chat we need to use DeepSeek reasoner. So let's firstly use this model and then we will see the detail of this model. So let's simply paste the name here and then click on this send API request. So there you can notice that this model is taking some more time to return the result, and the reason is this model do not just return the result by looking at the question. It tries to counter or think before returning a result. Like here you can see again we got a response, and here we got this choices array and this message object just like before, and then our actual answer is with this property content, and this is hello, how can I assist you today. So this is exactly the same answer which we got for the chat model. But here we got one more thing, and that is reasoning content. So here the model is actually thinking before returning the answer. So when we sent hi, the model thought that okay, the user just said hi, I should respond in a friendly and welcoming manner. Let me start with a greeting, maybe I can assist them today, and so on. So basically these are the things model thought before returning the response. So that's why the model is named as DeepSeek Reasoner. So now if you want to use this model inside your application, you can just simply open the application and here change this DeepSeek chat with Reasoner. And after that you don't need to make any change. We will get the result here just like before. And if you want to access this extra property, this reasoning content, then here inside our application you can make a copy of this line and change this content to reasoning content, and by doing that you will get that reason and you can also display it to the user. So this is a little thing about reasoning model or how you can use the other model provided by DeepSeek inside our application.